I'm Rebecca Armentrout.
I'm Curtis Armentrouts.
We are newly married and we just bought our first house. So our house is on the corner of Monroe and Columbia, North Spokane. It was built in 1912 and it's a two-story Victorian style house. It has little pocket stairs and glass doorknobs and a lot of the original charm, and it's still part of the house.
We have a little cast iron pellet burning stove. We have a refrigerator.
We have a garage,
Yeah.
a little detached garage with a workroom, and we're putting a big patio in the back corner.
When we moved in, everything was dead.
Best way to describe it would be a nightmarish dead jungle. It wasn't great.
No, it was not. We reorganized the back. We knocked out the hedge. We weeded everything. We mowed the grass.
I have a little garden started out there, so it's good. It's a lot better. The inside of the house when we first bought it is terrible. It had not really been cleaned. It was pretty bad. We painted the house top to bottom, inside out, every single wall, and we refinished the hardwood floors. We totally weeded the bathroom. We painted the front door bright red. That was the first thing I bought before we even bought the houses. Well, we have two dogs. Finn is a 6-month-old Airedale puppy, and Elmer is our 5-year-old Basset Hound. And we have Louie. He's a really cute little cat. He's a new addition to the family. Painting an entire house with a puppy is like eating Oreos and brushing your teeth at the same time. It can't be done. It's impossible. It's a lot of hard labor.
Yeah.
We've spent a lot of hours sweating. It's really fun work. It's really rewarding.
Yeah, I think the hardest part was getting started and having all that work ahead of you.
And still want to come here every day after work and make it home. Being able to see step by step, room by room, how it was transforming, like right there, was super rewarding. It just felt really good.
Yeah, some projects made a bigger difference than others. For instance, the floors was a really big, like, yay moment because they look great now, but they were horribly stained and crooked.
Kurt's really into plants right now.
Really into plants right now. An excessive amount of plants.
I think what makes our house and unique is that it's very non-traditional in the sense that everything we own, we've thrifted and we've upgraded a lot of it. Like we've painted stuff and we've reupholstered things and we've made them into something that's cool. Like we bought a bunch of mason jars and little funky jars and strips of wood and we put them up on the wall and made it into like a plant wall. So everything is bright and cheerful and full of life. I think it's really welcoming. I am excited for all my flowers that I plant to start blooming so that I can sit and look at them and drink coffee.
Yeah, I think there will always be little projects that we can do, but I'm really excited for a day when we have finished enough of them to where we feel like we can spend a day not working on something in the house and be comfortable with it. Anybody who looks like what they know what they're doing is doing something. It's pretending like they know something.
I don't know what that means. I think a big rewarding thing also has been learning how to do all this stuff. And there's been a lot of moments like that where we get kind of stuck and we're like, all right, what do we do? And we either wing it and it works or we ask people for advice. But it's just really cool to learn how to do stuff yourself and then to see it done right and feel that sense of pride. I think what makes this house home is seeing all of the life that we've brought back to it. The first day we got this house, we ate Chinese on the floor and it was disgusting. And now we walk in and it's full of light and it's bright and it's cozy and it's welcoming and it smells like home. And I think just seeing it brought back to life is really what makes it feel like home.